If you want to quickly check exactly how your Gamma site will look to visitors, this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to preview the public version of a Gamma site step by step so you can make sure your page looks right before sharing it with anyone. This is super useful when you want to review layout, text, spacing, links, and overall presentation from a visitor's point of view. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful software tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open your Gamma site project. This is the project where your page has already been created and edited. Once you're inside, look for the Pages panel or the Site Options area. Gamma organizes your site pages here, so this is where you'll find the page you want to check. Next, find the specific page you want to preview. If your Gamma site has multiple pages, take a moment to choose the exact one you want to review. This is important because you want to make sure you're checking the correct page version before publishing or sharing it. Now, open the three-dot menu for that page. You'll usually see this menu beside the page name or within the page options. Click it to reveal the available actions for that page. Gamma often places useful controls inside this menu, including preview and sharing-related options. From the menu, click the option to preview the public version. This opens the page in a format that matches what visitors will see when they access your site publicly. In other words, you're not just looking at the editor anymore, you're checking the real public-facing version. Once the public preview opens, carefully check how the page looks in the browser. Review the heading text, images, buttons, sections, and overall alignment. Make sure everything appears clean, readable, and polished. If something looks off, you can go back to your Gamma editor, make adjustments, and preview again until it looks perfect. This step is really helpful because it lets you catch issues before your audience sees them. Maybe a section is too long, a button is placed awkwardly, or a line break needs adjusting. Previewing the public version gives you a better sense of the final user experience. And that's it. That's how you preview the public version of a Gamma site. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how professional your site looks. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.